Hidden along the calm backwaters of North Goa lies Corjuem, a small island village where time seems to slow and life unfolds at a gentler, more thoughtful pace. Surrounded by water on all sides, Corjuem carries a quiet charm shaped by nature, tradition, and generations who have called this land home. Spread across roughly 4 square kilometers, the village may appear modest in size, yet it holds a depth of history far greater than its boundaries suggest. Life here has always moved in harmony with the land, guided by the river, the changing seasons, and the simple rhythms of everyday living. For many years, Corjuem was accessible only by ferry. Each crossing was part of daily life, carrying school children, farmers, and families across the water. From above, Corjuem reveals its quiet beauty. Narrow roads wind through clusters of homes, coconut palms sway gently in the breeze, and open fields stretch toward the horizon. The surrounding waterways reflect the sky, creating a landscape that feels peaceful, timeless, and deeply rooted. As time passed, change arrived with the construction of the bridge, linking Corjuem more closely to the mainland. Travel became easier, opportunities expanded, and daily life evolved. Yet, even with this transformation, the soul of the village remained unchanged, calm, close-knit, and deeply connected. At the heart of Corjuem stands My De Deus Chapel, a place of faith and reflection that has guided generations. For decades, it has been a gathering place for prayer, celebration, and remembrance, a quiet witness to the life of the community. Nearby, My De Deus High School has played an equally important role. For years, it has shaped young minds, nurtured values, and opened paths to opportunity. Many who once studied within its walls have gone on to build lives beyond the island, carrying with them the lessons and spirit of their beginnings. The remains of Corjuem Fort stand as a reminder of the island's strategic past during the Portuguese era. Though time has softened its walls, the fort continues to symbolize resilience and endurance. Today, Corjuem stands as a meeting point between past and present. In the gentle light of morning or the warm glow of sunset, the village reveals its timeless character, calm, grounded, and deeply human. It is more than a place on the map. It is a living story shaped by memory, faith, and the enduring spirit of its people.